If you're still struggling with laundry, just imagine, instead of putting clothes in the wash, you're making a cup of tea. You take the time to clean the kettle, boil the water, brew the tea, and add the milk, and boom, you have a cup of tea. But what if you go in the kitchen and all the available stoves are boiling the water? You can have your kettle ready with water and leave it next to the stove, but here's the important part. Do not turn off another person's stove to boil your water. Just because you had to walk all the way over to the field house to access the kitchen does not mean that you are entitled to a stove space. And if their water is done boiling and the stove is turned off, be a nice person. Put the tea leaves in for them so they have their tea ready as soon as they walk into the kitchen. What if there are no tea leaves left for them? It would be kind for you to please take the kettle and to please leave it in the kitchen, nice and neat for the other person to collect. But please, do not ruin their day by throwing the kettle all over the floor. Just don't do that. Why would you? How would you feel if someone did that to your kettle? Even if they might have become unconscious and could not have put in the tea leaves, do it for them. Because if they wake up from their coma and see a neat cup of tea, that will make their day. And one more thing. If you see that the kitchen is out of tea leaves and you see someone else with a half-brewed cup of tea, do not take their f***ing tea leaves. No one wants to drink a bloody watered-down cup of tea. Trust me on this. Now, if you can understand how completely ludicrous it is to ruin a perfectly good cup of tea, then you are able to understand the basic etiquette of the laundry room. Whether it's the kitchen or the laundry, etiquette is everything. Got it?